Hi guys, welcome to Skelet for you. Today I'm going to discuss about how to create digital clock touch Python program. So if you are not subscribed this channel, please subscribe and like this video. First of all, you have to install in your machine Python. After that, require one code editor like Visual Studio Code, Notepad, PyCharm, whatever you want. So here I use the Visual Studio Code. So I open the Visual Studio Code. After that, I create the one file that is ck.py means clock.py. I create one file. So this one is the Python file. After that, I write from tkinter import star from tkinter dot ttk import star. After that, from time import strf time. So why I import all these things first? Because I want to use all these things in my program, so that's why I first import. After that you write r equal to tk, capital T small k, and function symbol. So I use the r dot title, means this one is the clock title, so I write the clock title skylight clock, clock. When you run this program, you understand this title used. After that, I create one function div time, and after that I write string string equal to strf time, because you see here I import, so that's why I write here. I write the clock format, so I want to first the hour, so that's why I write here percentage capital H colon percentage m colon percentage s, means capital S. After that I want to give one space and showing AMPM, so that's why I write percentage P. P is the small letter. You see percentage H is the capital, percentage M capital, percentage S capital. After that one space. After that I write percentage P. This is the small. And after that I write label label dot L is the small, config config. Inside bracket I write text text equal to string string, means this one. After that label label L is small, after after, and I want to refresh the 1 second, so I write 1000 comma time time. So this time is the this one. Every 1 second the time is called, so that's why I write label dot after 1000 comma time. That you write outside the function label label equal to label. This L is the capital, and inside bracket you write r comma this r is the this one. Font font equal to inside bracket you write ds minus digital gital. After that you give the font size, so I give the 80. Background, so I want to define the background color, so that's why I write background ground equal to, so I want to define the background color black, so that's why I write black, BLSCK. After that I want to define the foreground color, so that's why I write comma foreground. I give pink, PINK. Label dot PACK, inside bracket you write anchor, CHOR. So why I write, because where I show the clock, so I want to show the clock center, so that's why I define CENTER. That you call the time function, so I write time and function symbol. So this time function call the this one. So after that you write main loop and you define the function symbol. You save this program and run this program. You see the time showing. So you see here 23:47:36 p.m. So you see the background color is black, so that's why the background is black, and foreground is pink, so that's why it is showing the pink. Suppose if I want to change the color, so I want to change green, GREEN, and I save this program. After I run this, so you see the color is changed. One more things you see here this format. So this first one is the hours, second one is the minute, and third one is the second, and this one is the PM AM. If you learn something from this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. If you have any doubt, comment below. Thank you watching this video.